And the storm, not here yet.
Oh, yeah. I'm getting pictures on my Twitter account. Check this out. Maureen Martini just sent me a picture from River Avenue in Oceanside. All right, can we take a look at this? I'm going to make it a little bit bigger now. Look at the roads. Already flooded. Already flooded. And I have another picture I want to show you. That was Long Island. Oops, what did I do? Okay, carry on. Hold on, I got it. One more.
Okay.
This one is from New Jersey. And it's
Neptune, right?
Neptune, New Jersey. Diana sent me this. Okay, check this out. This guy is actually on a road. And I said to Dave, are you sure it's on a road and he's not like in the water? And he said, check out the mailbox right over here. So it's already starting to flood in several parts of our area. We're keeping an eye on things for you just about 9 o'clock as we go to break. We want to thank our viewers on My 9 for watching us this morning.
My 9 will go.